To attract additional visitors to your website and to have them order online, here's some nice tips you can use. So for example, we got on this website, we have the home about us order online. And then right now we go to the order online, it shows the items that are for sale. We have the skincare, gifts, beeswax, and wildflower honey. So let's create a coupon code. And what we're going to do with this coupon code is you can either post on your Instagram, on your Facebook, or just tell people about it. But another thing I'm going to do also is I'm going to actually have it pop up here too, in case they come to the website and they're kind of looking around, but you need that extra incentive to generate that order or to have them order. A custom pop-up message would be nice for that. So let me show you what I mean by that. If you go in the back end and you click on coupons, you'll see there are coupons here. We have gold, gold 10, right? So gold is the one I just created earlier. Will give 5% off. Gold 10 will give 10% off. So you may want to advertise gold 10 during the holidays or special events that that you want to get customers to order and offer a special discount. And 5% off, you want to offer that basically whenever you want. So you can post this on your Instagram or Facebook. You can post both of them, but you may want to post this more often, and you want to post this one on specific days. So let me just show you what I mean by that. So let's go ahead. I'm going to use this coupon code right here, gold. So I'm going to go to settings. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to store settings. I'm going to actually announce this. I'm going to announce this to the customer. So right now, let's see the workflow of how the order online works. I go here, I go to home page, and I get to view the website, and I'm very interested. I see all the information here, and it makes me curious to check out the order online page. So I go here, and then when I go to the order online page, I see some nice products here, but I'm still not excited to purchase. But how about if we give them a pop-up message? So let's go ahead and do that. So over here I'm going to say, we have a sale. Let's make it capitalized. We are running a sale. Use code gold at checkout to get 5% off. Okay, so there we go. Now we have, oh, so it's asking me, do I want to show this message on the checkout page? No, we're only going to show it on the order online page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to the home page. I'm just pretending I'm a brand new customer. I'm looking through the website, and then I want to go check out the shop page. I'm going to go to the order online page. Let's see what happens this time. There you go, a pop-up. We are running a sale. Use coupon code GOLD at checkout to get 5% off. Now this is very good, because now as a customer, may want to buy something now because I have a coupon code GOLD. So I'm going to copy this code, or I can just write it out. So I'm going to go ahead and buy some stuff. I already added something to my cart. There's my item. Now let's go ahead and take a look how the coupon code works. I'm going to put all my information in. But in this example, I'm going to go to the coupon code. I'm going to type in gold here. You can just type it in. And I press apply. It's going to search for the code. Oh, this code requires a minimum purchase of $20. Let me actually go back and mention that as well. So let's go back in the back here again. Store settings. Minimum purchase of 2. So you're probably wondering where the minimum purchase came from, the $20. I'll show that to you as well. Let me just save this first. Remember, when you create a coupon code, there is a section here on the coupon section where you can have a minimum purchase right here. Minimum amount is 20 bucks. I can change that, but since this is what if this is what the merchant wants or the business owner wants, we want to keep that there. Minimum amount is 20 bucks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. But now let's go ahead and go back again and go to the home page again. I'm going to add something else to my cart. Now when I press order online again or shop, this time it'll give me a message where it'll notify me that, hey, I have to purchase $20. See, minimum purchase of $20 required. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few more things to my cart. I'm going to add a gift here. Oh, this is nice. Let's add that. Now we have $20. Yep, $25. So now my coupon code GOLD will work because I have $20. So I'm going to go ahead. See, it's already added actually. So I went back and added additional items and I got my coupon code to work. So this is one way of getting your customers to get additional viewers to purchase. It's a simple pop-up, works very well. So now you know how it works. I have enabled it for this website, and if you want to make changes to it, it's very simple. You go in and make a new coupon code, and then go to settings right here after you make your coupon code. Let your customers know about it either on Instagram or on your website. In this case, I'm doing it on the website. See right here towards the bottom, custom store announcement. Okay, and that's how you do that. So let me press the plus sign here. Yeah, and then we say we are running a sale. And if you want, you can remind them one more time on the checkout page. That's optional, but in this case, I chose not to do that. Okay, and that's one way to get more customers to purchase products is to give them a coupon code. And if you want additional ways of creating a coupon code, just remember there's also Perfect Coupons, which is an application you download from the Clover app market. And see right here, once you enable the coupon, there's a coupon app you can actually print out on your coupon and have it redeemed on your website. That's another way of getting your customers to order online. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.